Hey guys, welcome back. Today is just a little update video on what we have going on around here at the Bolt Punch Ranch. It is a beautiful summer. We have a lot of projects we've been working on, a lot that I haven't filmed. We've fixed the foundation, waiting for a rain, I guess, to make sure that's fixed. One thing we have been doing is I got a family member that owns a lot of hunting guns. You know, he's a hunter, owns a lot of guns. So he has asked me, he knows I'm into 3D printing, so he's asked me to design a few things for his gun. So I want to go over kind of a couple of things that we've been designing. This is going to be an ongoing project, so there'll probably be several videos about this. But we have designed one I would call it product, and we're turning it into two by, you know, messing with some shapes. So anyway, one thing we've done is we've made a speed loader. So let's get into that. My son actually made the speed loader in Inventor. Normally I make things in OpenSCAD or Blender, more OpenSCAD than anything else, but I'm starting to pick up Blender a little bit to get some more rounded organic shapes. It's a little bit easier to do that. But he started, I did it in Inventor, and turned out perfect, actually. You know, I think our dimensions were off slightly by about a half a millimeter, so we fixed that, brought it into OpenSCAD, put our branding on it, printing it out, and we're putting it up on eBay. So these are very simple items to make, in my opinion. All you got to do is get the outline of the polygon type shape and plot it, and then extrude it up, and then put a shape around it that's going to kind of fit your hand a little bit better. These are also called thumb savers. So we've been spending some time as we've got some spring rains inside, developing these types of devices, and we're going to sell them. We're selling them on eBay, Etsy, whatever. Kids can make some money, you know, from something other than, you know, slinging fast food or whatever. It's kind of the thing I always try to push them towards. Find several ways to make money. Don't stick to just one. Learn to do lots of things. My other son also made these devices in Inventor, and I took them into OpenSCAD to put the branding on them, which are the lightning bolts. Everything we sell has lightning bolts on them because our name's Bolt. He built these Xbox One S stands that it basically lifts your Xbox off the shelf it's on, or entertainment center, or whatever you have it sitting on. It lifts it about that far off the ground to get some more air underneath. There's a lot of these selling from China that are 3D printed. So we did some good old design and make in the USA, made them in our little factory here at the house with our couple of 3D printers. And we're selling those also on the eBay store. So, you know, you can find us by searching for Bolt Punch, and you'll see some of our stuff in there. So those are some projects we've been working on lately. Nothing real exciting for video. Another thing I'm working on that nobody's really going to care about, because nobody really likes to watch the 3D printing videos I'm finding. They want probably something more automatic than what we would usually do, which is okay. We are building a Piper 3D printer. If you don't know, that's a 3D printer you can build out of conduit. And the advantages of building your own 3D printer is you will have an understanding inside and out of everything with this printer. If it ever breaks down, you will know immediately how to fix it, because you will know how it works. So I'm going to do a couple videos about that, even though nobody's going to watch them. But I think that's going to be good future learning for somebody out there. Hopefully the kids, my kids, any other kids that want to get into it. But anybody really, I mean, young or old. I mean, look at me, I'm an old guy and I'm still building 3D printers. So that's where we are today. Just want to get a quick update video out there. More projects still coming. There's just some that we just couldn't film due to lack of space, mud, whatever. So we skipped those. Hang in there, be safe, and we will talk to you next time. Thanks for watching.